Nothing? You mean nothing? So you are going to sit and watch another woman dethrone you? Never.
What else can I do? That is the truth.
This is not Odimgbe, I know. Over my dead body will I let such thing happen to you? It will not. Have you thought of surrogacy and insemination? Look, you have to try other means. There is every possibility that the problem will be from your husband, the king. Yes.
I finally done what you suggested to me to do.
Look, I know I gave you many suggestions. So which one did you choose?
The one that is simpler and easier for me to do.
Which is? Wow.
You know, the walls have ears. So I want you to be careful.
So who is he?
He's a friend of mine. I actually ran into him. We lost contact some time ago.
Wow.
I ran into him a few days ago.
That's good. I love your guts. Wow, I like it.
But, Osita, are you sure this is not going to backfire?
Don't you trust me again?
I trust you.
Don't you believe me? It will not. Look, I can't wait for your dream to come true. Believe me.
Thank you.
I'm just doing this because of you.
Thank you very much.
All right, now we'll see you later. Thank you.
You look more prettier than ever.
Oh no, I am not cut out for that now. I am here out of desperation. That was why I picked you up. I want to talk to you.
Oh, I see. So I will be glad to help you in any way I can.
Oh no. My husband, the king, has not been able to make me pregnant for the many years we've been married. My position as the queen is threatened. In fact, it's on the balance.
So how can I help you?
I want you to make me pregnant. I'll pay whatever it is. Once I confirm you're able to make me conceive.
Oh, my GP tank. Oh, sorry for laughing. But it seems you have forgotten who you're speaking with. I am not a herbal healer, neither am I a pastor, so how can I possibly make you pregnant? I'm not a magician.
I want you to sleep with me and make me pregnant.
Holy Moses. Excuse me. Oh, wait. Sorry, I didn't see that coming.
Now you've seen it coming.
You want me to sleep with you? And still get paid, is that what you mean?
I'll pay whatever it is once I confirm I am pregnant. Can you be serious a little?
Oh, that's the easiest thing in the earth. Of course, you know, I'll make you pregnant because my mandula is hot and my propeller is worth it. So if I hit you there, you'll always come back for more. Trust me.
Not a chance. So I'll never come back. I am giving you two conditions to this deal. One is that once I get pregnant and ever give birth to the child, you never lay claim to that child. Whether it's a female child, whether it's a male child, you don't know that child existed whatsoever. Is that clear? Second is that delete my number from your contact. You don't know me and I don't know you. Don't ever contact me afterward.
Okay, forget about little talks. Of course, let's get to know each other before MOU. Don't you understand?
Who cares about this you useless MOU? Let's get down to business. I already booked a hotel.
All right, yes.
So let's go there.
Deal. So drive to wherever you want the job to be done. Then you trust me. I'll be like Mike Tyson, you know, in the roller coaster.
I have booked a hotel room. Let's go there. I'm not interested in all this your tidbits.
All right.
this news I hear about you. Thinking of taking a second life.
The pressure on me is so much. The throne needs an heir. And I have to weigh the options.
Your Majesty, I am not against that. But before you take further decisions and actions, I would want us to give it one last try.
One last try. What about the so many tries we have done over the years? And what makes you think that this try will make a difference?
Just this once. I won't ask again. You may never know what will happen. Just this once.
All right. But it shouldn't be more than once. I'm really tired today.
Oh, come on. One round is all I need. Even a drop of it can make a woman pregnant. So let's just go. I know how you do it. You do it well. That one round will make a difference. Come, let's go. Let's take this to the bedroom so that it will give you all the strength you need to do it very well. Come. To the bedroom.
You have a way of turning me on all the time.
And that is why I'm your queen. That is my responsibility to turn you on, touch you where you like it more. Come. About the second wife. You're going to be thinking about me.
How did it go? Have you met with the man?
Yes, the deed has been done already.
Good. That's my queen. I'm proud of you.
Rita, I am still very worried.
No, you don't have to. All you need to do now is to meet your husband immediately.
I've done that already.
Wow, you've done that? Then you don't need to be worried. Relax and be happy. Very soon, everything will be alright, okay?
Rita, I just pray so. I just pray everything will be alright in due time.
Listen, rejoice. Your prayers has been answered. You have done all you're supposed to do. Trust me, okay? You'll be fine.
I just hope so.
Don't worry. I won't let you down. Are you not my friend again? Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Things have gone wrong. My tree has fallen. Who will take the place? The throne is at stake.
How is she? She was dizzy and having this nausea feeling.
Congratulations, Your Highness. The Queen is 3 weeks pregnant.
Are you right?
Yes.
I'm going to have an heir to the throne.
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh. Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Let me share the moment with her.
Your Highness, I salute you.
No.
I want to tell you that the entire kingdom, they are all happy with the development that they are seeing now. Finally, that day we have been waiting for has come. We now have a successor. The person that will take after our king. And we have been praying for this. And we have been waiting for something like this also. Igwe, may you live long.
Ise.
May your days on earth here be blessed.
Ise. Oh no, you have said it all.
Your Highness, I greet you. We, the people of this great kingdom, have always known that a day like this will come.
Ijie back.
But the question on our lips was why it was taking so long.
Oh.
But we thank the gods of our ancestors that that very day has finally come. The day has finally come. And we are here to rejoice. Your Highness, we know you are planning a very big celebration. But I beg you to allow us to celebrate with this token of kola nut and this white man drink to wash it down. I know I told you. And can you remember? I have started already.
Obaka. Hey.
I want to tell you so that you use it to wash it down.
Good day. How are you?
Now I'm here to see you.
Okay. You have seen me.
The king sent me to deliver a message to you.
And what is the message?
The king sent me to deliver a message to you and to ask you why you haven't been to the palace to see the newborn prince. And to also invite you for the naming ceremony of the prince.
I have heard you. Now go back to the palace. Tell Ebube that I cannot attend. He is the king. He has the affairs of the community to attend to. And me also have my private affairs to attend to. So go back and tell him that.
But now...
Come on, go. Go and tell him you are the messenger. I've given you a message for him. Go before you lose your head.
Okay, now.
Get out.
Okay, now. Okay, now.
Idiots from the palace. Can you imagine? Hi, Ebube, asking me to come to attend, to rejoice with him over a son, a stupid son he's going to hand over the power to. It's over my dead body. Look at a throne that should be mine. Ebube is sitting on it. Now he's inviting me over to rejoice with him. Hi, this boy has spoiled my day, for goodness sake. Oh my.
Your Majesty.
Yeah, I just went to see the baby prince in his cradle. And I want to thank you for making me a father and a king. I think I can now relax, sleep, rest, with the assurance that I now have a successor.
I hope this ends your quest for a second wife.
Of course. I really didn't want to marry another woman. It was just a thought. Pick a call.
No, I didn't want any disturbance with this erotic moment.
It's alright. Let me go wait for the others. Okay?
Remember, you are a king.
Yes, I am.
Things you don't do outside.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you. What do you want? What do you want?
Ugezu, is everything okay?
Why do you ask?
I ask because it is written all over you. It's like you're thinking something very deep.
Okay, Mother, I am fine. Some time back, You were clamoring for me to have a child for your son. Now I have a son, yet you won't let me. What is it?
Igbe, what is wrong? Why this unprovoked attack?
And I have a child. Not just a child, a son. So I have all the right to look you in the face and tell you exactly what is on my mind. Why Arabamaka? Leave me alone. Learn to mind your business. Excuse me. What Biko? Is it your thinking?
Yes. Did you deliver my message to my brother?
Yes, Your Highness.
And what was his response?
He asked me to leave his house, Your Highness. He said he has other important affairs to attend to. Son?
I need to speak to you about your wife. She's just been stupid.
I'm not in the mood for those your unending quarrels.
Oh, so I am now the one quarreling. Really?
I'm sorry, mother, but you seem to be channeling your energy to the wrong person. Anayo, my younger brother, have been against my rule for a very long time. He left the palace and went to stay in the old house. He has refused all helps I've offered him all the years. Just this afternoon, I sent for him. Let us celebrate. Let's have a good time together. You know what he did? He spat on my face. Anayo spat on my face. So what do you have to say about that?
Just calm down. You have to calm down. Take it easy on him. Anayo is not happy. And if you were the one too, you will not be happy. Anayo is not happy that you're sitting on the throne. So just calm down. I'll send for him and talk to him.
Better do, mother. Because my softness and kindness must not be misconstrued for weakness. Because I don't want to do what I'll regret.
Calm down. As I can see, you are not in the mood to discuss further. So I leave you until when you are settled down.
What is this madman doing here? I thought you had done with the meeting. Your Highness, greetings,
Can you for once speak to an elderly man with some respect?
Shut up. Who the hell are you to tell me that?
A princess.
Can you calm down?
Oh, can you imagine this kind of embarrassment?
It's okay, calm down. Nai.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty.
Greetings.
I'm here to see the king.
Oh, the king is having his siesta. You cannot see him at the moment. I hope all is well.
All is not well. I'd rather speak with the king directly.
He's sleeping, so I don't know.
I beg to take my leave.
Please forgive him, eh?
Forgive me for what? What is wrong with you? Am I the way you talk to me in front of commoners?
You will never see anything wrong in what you said.
What's that? Why are you talking to me like that?
Please don't mind her. Just don't mind her.
That's what I'm trying to say. There's no way a father would hate his son. It's tantamount to him hating his own self. If you are good.
Father, I've heard what you said, okay? I'll try to change. As a matter of fact, I am a changed person already. Okay, and I also work on my approach to people. Okay, so that's fine. We are good now.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that, and it gladdens my heart. I'm happy you realize what.
I'm sorry to barge in like this, Your Highness. I'm in anger and pain too.
So how is that our problem? Whether you're pained or sad, is that our problem?
Young lady, what is the problem?
I sent my stepdaughter to get something for me down the road, only for her to come back crying that she was raped.
Not under my rule. We'll have to look for the culprit and have him dealt with. Candy, please, you will take some guys with you to help me fish out that he-goat who is responsible for such an act.
For that, Highness. Your Highness, the culprit is no other person than your son, the prince.
How dare you come to this palace to lay a baseless accusation? Are you mad? What is wrong with you people? Killjoys.
I'm telling you the truth, Your Majesty. My sister cannot lie to me, and my own son can lie to me.
Take this idiot out of this place. Is it the first one that has done something?
Yes.
Get out! This girl is a fool. Get out!
Leave! I give no such order. Will you stop that? Young lady, I am a just king. And I will find out the truth about this. Woman, if I find out that you are lying, your punishment is grave.
It's okay, Your Highness. I'm okay with any judgment you're going to pass on this. I'm okay with it.
Kamdi, you had her. What have you to say in defense of that?
Wait. Can we all just take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill? I'm not a coward not to own up to my mistakes. Okay. Yeah, I think I actually did the rape thing. Okay. I think I raped one of them. Not the one already. This other one. I raped her very close to the bush. Which I regret because she wasn't really worth it. It was so watery or salty. Or what do I say? So it happened like that. But it's fine. The deed has been done.
Are you mad? Hi! Chineke. Hi! 1 hour since. Is it the first time?
It's very
It means you have been doing it all this while. No. You have been doing it all your life. Look at your face. I can see it on your face. It's written all over your face.
Kamdi, you disgust me. Now, get out of my sight. Get out of my sight! Get out of my sight!
Leave her alone.
Young lady, I apologize. But not to worry. I will make sure he pays for it.
My king, what about the shame and the guilt that I will go through? I will become a laughing stock.
Who will laugh at you? Since you have been dealing with the other men, have they been laughing at you? When they see not they wink at you, idiot, they be laughing at you. Have forgiveness to her. Me I go wink at you, Sorofa. Now the shame I will feel. Which shame? You go to newcomer in the business.
Young lady, if it's okay by you, I will marry you to Kandi. I will pay the bride price and every other expenses that is necessary.
Thank you.
You have no other choice. You might be Sararu, idiot. You might be Sararu, go and look for your type. You shall be a royalty. Idiot.
Stop that! You should have thought of that before he forced himself on this poor girl. Have I not been telling you? Look at how he has disgraced me. He has rubbed shame on my face.
Majesty, my son is too young to marry this. No, don't even say. I'm sorry for everything. But I'll come and marriage and can't make pay them off.
He will marry her. And that is final.
I got finding out why. It's false.
Thank you.
Hey! One category head, then I will book. It's not called for.